Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on these. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues or problems pairing or connecting to a device, or maybe you can't get into pairing mode, maybe one side's not working, maybe it keeps disconnecting every so often, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. Anyway, with a factory reset, it's very simple, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let's open this up. And then if you open the case up, you see this button right here, okay? So what you want to do is leave both buds in the case here, and this little button right here, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold it, and we're going to keep holding it until it starts blinking red, 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 okay? So button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Still holding, is blinking green, red, but we want red, 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 so I'm still holding. Wait. Wait. Okay, red, red, red. Go ahead and let go. And now it's factory resetting now. Once it's done, it's going to go automatic in pairing mode, which indicates by green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so for instance, I was currently connected or paired to this phone before, but now we did the factory reset. So if I want to connect back to the same phone, which is an iPhone, I have to go to settings and then Bluetooth. And then you can see I was paired here before. It's right here, the open. Let me go ahead and tap on the I right there for the information, and let me forget this device, remove it from the pairing list. It'd be unpaired if it's on an Android phone, okay? Now, I'll be able to connect back to this phone, okay? So it's still in the pairing mode, it's blinking blue, red, or green, red, green, red, green, red. And it should show up down here, but let me just turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on to rescan again. And let's connect back to this iPhone. What do you know? Now it's here. Let's tap on that. And now we're connected back to the same iPhone after the factory reset. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.